gentlemen, welcome to the second edition of Bharat PSU Manthan, presented by Mini Orange. So, ladies and gentlemen, today we have amazing speakers who are leading India's PSU ecosystem. And with this, I would like to welcome Mr. Akhilesh Kumar Dikshit, CEO from ESL. A very warm welcome to you, sir. So, sir, let's start our conversation. My first question for you is, why is cyber awareness critical for PSU organizations today?
Actually, PSU organizations are running the critical infrastructure of the country, and the more and more every year we are getting more and more dependent on internet, and digitization is happening at very rapid speed. And coming to power sector, the country is very much reliant on the stable power, and any attack in our power grid uh, can can cripple the entire country. The mobility, the metro, everything can go down in a fraction of a second. So I think it is very paramount for the PSU to be alert with the cyber threat which we may face, because we are running the very critical infrastructure of the country.
So, sir, that was really something to be thought of. Moving on to the next question, what has been your biggest takeaway from Bharat PSU Manthan?
I think Bharat PSU Manthan is a very good initiative by Vilak, because people should understand that how vital the PSUs are. Many people believe that PSUs are burden and they are no more required because private companies are coming. But this kind of platform give them audience and the media to understand that how even today's time the PSUs are doing very important role in the nation building. And as the theme of this year event is 2047 Viksit Bharat. So Viksit Bharat cannot happen without the contribution from the PSUs. And my biggest takeaway was the meeting with very senior people from DRDO and BSNL, Ministry of Defense. So I think we had a lot of good conversation, and it helped us to interact and network also.
Well, that was really amazing that you shared your perspective. So, moving on to the last question, sir. How has Velox Media helped you engage with the PSU cybersecurity community?
Yeah, I think the they have got a good audience and good companies which have put their stalls there, and I interacted with them, and we exchanged the cards also. And there were senior officials from Delhi Police, Ministry of Defense, who are also involved in this kind of field. So I think this this theme of cyber security and everything is very much taken care of, and they have brought good perspective and experienced people among the speakers, so that one can take it further from here.
So, yes, we are together building the future for PSUs and public sector. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us and sharing your perspective and your thoughts. So, ladies and gentlemen, that was Mr. Akhilesh Kumar Dikshit, CEO ESL. Thank you so much, sir, for joining.